Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16 September every year. It is also known as International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. This year, the theme of the World Ozone Day is Montreal Protocol, Keeping Us, Our Food and Vaccines Cool. The theme for World Ozone Day 2020 was Ozone for Life, 35 Years of Ozone Layer Protection. World Ozone Day is observed on September 16 to spread awareness about the harmful effects of ozone depletion and ways to find out preventive measures. It was declared by UNGA, that is, United Nations General Assembly, in the year 1994. September 16 commemorates the Montreal Protocol that was signed on this date by 24 UN member nations in 1987. The principal aim of the Montreal Protocol is to protect the ozone layer by taking measures to control consumption of substances that deplete it. The main cause of depletion of the ozone layer is human-made chemicals that contain chlorine or bromine. These chemicals are known as ODS, that is, ozone-depleting substances. The ozone layer, a fragile shield of gas, protects the Earth from the harmful portion of the rays of the sun. The ozone layer is found in the upper layers of the atmosphere and is a highly reactive gas. It protects life on Earth by absorbing sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation and so is also known as ozone shield. Ultraviolet rays can cause several skin diseases. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.